Thanks, Matt. Well, we've been following this story. A local law firm representing 9 patients who survived and the families of another 9 who died filed a malpractice and wrongful death lawsuit against Asante. They're asking for over $300 million. NBC5's Maximus Osborne has more details on the lawsuit and recaps how we got here. He's live in studio. Maximus.
Andrea, this civil lawsuit filed by Schlesinger and de Villeneuve is the largest lawsuit filed so far against Asante Rogue Regional Medical Center in connection to the alleged drug diversion that we first reported on last December.
One of the reasons why I'm interested in this case is because I want to just find out what the truth is.
David de Villeneuve with Schlesinger and de Villeneuve has been working with alleged Asante victims and their families for months. The multi-million-dollar civil lawsuit against Asante alleges the health system didn't follow safety protocols and prevent a nurse from replacing fentanyl meant for patients with tap water causing infections.
Asante conducted an internal investigation which isolated these infections to a specific time frame from July of 2022 to July of 2023. They isolated the location of where these infections were occurring within the hospital, the ICU unit, and 1 employee.
Medford police arrested former Asante nurse Danny Marie Schofield in June this year. MPD says the investigation started after Asante became concerned with the rising number of central line infection cases. Schofield now faces 44 counts of second-degree assault in connection with the alleged drug diversion case at RRMC.
I think this will go down as the most complex, biggest case this county has ever seen and that our office has ever handled.
While the criminal trial against Schofield continues, the civil lawsuit claims Asante knew or should have known of the likelihood of drug misuse by its employees. One of the reasons listed in the lawsuit behind the claim is Asante's repeated instances of drug misuse by employees in the past. We reached out to the attorneys at Schlesinger and de Villeneuve. They were unavailable for an interview today. However, they did provide us a statement saying, quote, "We are getting justice for these people, and we will make sure this never happens again." Outside of the alleged repeated instances of drug misuse, the lawsuit says Asante should have known due to the prevalence of misuse nationally.
You don't think of medical professionals doing this, but 10% of medical professionals divert drugs. 10%. That's a lot.
De Villeneuve says Asante will have a deadline to respond to the lawsuit, and they're waiting to hear back from the courts for information on moving forward. We also reached out to Asante today, but they were unavailable for comment. Live in studio, Maximus Osborne, NBC5 News.